Welcome to another video. We are going to see how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Playground AI. So, starting, on Google, type in Playground on search bar and click the first result. To continue, you have to create an account, click Login, and continue with Google. Choose your Google account, click Continue. We are now officially logged in. We're going to proceed now. The site will prompt you on how to use it. Indicate what you do. Here we opt for Content Creator. So, we intend to make a YouTube thumbnail. Type in YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. So, this is a list of YouTube thumbnail templates. We would brand it to what we desire. As you can see, there are different versions, premium and free versions. We are going to use a free version. This is a free version. So here, we have the option of changing the features of this template. So, enter a prompt. We are going to change the text. Change text to, how Donald Trump won the US elections. The US elections. So, after that enter replace image with Donald Trump. Donald Trump's picture. When you are done, click Create. So, this is the output of the YouTube thumbnail. You can see how nice it is. You can resize it further and you can also change the background color. So, we are going to use a prompt to change the background color. Change background color to red with a mix of dark blue. So, you see how beautiful it is. So, when you are done, click Export on the top right corner. Click Download. So, that's how you can use AI to make a YouTube thumbnail. Completely for free. So, thank you for watching. Kindly share, like and subscribe to our channel.